To the short tutorial. In this video I will show you new neon light template on the Capcut, how you can use this effect on your videos. So watch this video till the end and you have to follow the same procedure, and if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. So first of all, you have to open your Play Store and you have to download the Capcut application. It's a video editor by TikTok. So you just have to download this application in your phone. Once you will do it, you will find a link in the description. Simply you have to click on that link and you will see this type of the page. You can simply click on the use this template in the Capcut. Click on it. Once you will do it, here you will see use template option. Simply click on it. Now you can select a video or picture from here and use this effect. So this is the way. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.